Jackson Pollock was born on January 28, 1912, and he passed away August 11, 1956. He was an American painter and a major figure in the abstract impressionist movement. He was widely noticed for his drip technique of pouring or splashing liquid household paint onto a horizontal surface, enabling him to view and paint his canvases from all angles. It was called all-over painting and action painting, since he covered the entire canvas and used the forces of his whole body to paint, often in a frenetic dancing style. This extreme form of abstraction divided the critics. Some praised the creation, while others derided the random effects. In 2016, Pollock's painting, titled Number 17A, was reported to have fetched $200 million in a private purchase. A reclusive and volatile personality, Pollock struggled with alcoholism for most of his life. In 1945, he married the artist Lee Krasner, who became an important influence on his career and on his legacy. Pollock died at the age of 44 in an alcohol-related single-car collision when he was driving. In December 1956, 4 months after his death, Pollock was given a memorial retrospective exhibition at the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. A larger, more comprehensive exhibition of his work was held there in 1967. In 1998 and 1999, his work was honored with large-scale retrospective exhibitions at MoMA and at the Tate in London. From 1938 to 1942, Pollock worked for the WPA Federal Art Project. During this time, Pollock was trying to deal with his established alcoholism. From 1938 to 1941, he underwent psychotherapy with Dr. Joseph Henderson. Henderson engaged him through his art, encouraging Pollock to make drawings. Some historians have hypothesized that Pollock might have had bipolar disorder. Pollock signed a gallery contract with Peggy Guggenheim in July 1943. Alright guys, so the subject matter of my painting is the image of Christ from Paul Rubens. So I'm going to go ahead and take that and sketch it on my square canvas that I have. Okay, so and also the colors that we need are cad yellow, okay, burnt sienna right there, cadmium red, cerulean blue, and titanium white, and household black paint. Okay, so and also I have some brushes here that that I will be using. So I'm taking Jackson Pollock and Andy Warhol, okay, and I'm just combining it together. Okay, all right. So this is going to come really handy. Okay, guys. So what you do is you block the image so that when you splatter or do the drip motion, you're not actually painting into the image, just around it. Okay, so let's take now what I've realized is that if you pull up, okay, like that, if you pull up, you will have a lot of fin. There. Okay. Just do this in circular motion. Let's see. Sometimes you can just splatter like so. All right, so what I'm going to do, just, you know, kind of like splatter more. And just raise it up a little bit and shake it around. Okay, like go over here, shake it around, and go in circular motions like that. All right. Okay, so since I didn't have household paint, red household paint, what I'm doing is I'm using just acrylic, okay? So let's just take that now, okay, from a distance. Little splatters here, okay, like that. Okay. There. All right. Okay, so I think now I am going to use yellow. Okay, so let's take that and just kind of like mix it, mix it, mix it. Here, so that it's watery. See? All right, and then go at it. All right. So now this needs to dry, okay? All right.